guys, I'm doing a video for you guys. This is what I have, a 10,000. I have a 10,000. I have a 10,000. This thing, a Genitron, 10,000 watt. I mean 8,000 watt rated. It says they call it 10,000 watt, but it's 8,000 watt. So you see what I have going on, guys. Okay. I have this tube. Okay. This tube, guys. Let me show you what I have. I have this thing here. We can shut it off, turn it off. This is the tube. It sucks the air, the gas. This is what I have here, guys. I have the propane here. This is what I have. Okay, I have this propane. This is the gasoline. This is gasoline, guys. Okay. As you can tell, this is dry, empty. Okay, this is empty. So I'm about to start this thing here to show you how, guys, how I started it. Okay, everything's shut down. Okay. Okay, that's a. This is a 10,000, 8,000 rated watt. So that's an 8,000 generator. This is gasoline. As you can tell, this is empty. Empty. Got nothing in there. So I'm gonna close this thing. Close this thing and put this thing back and close it. And we're gonna start it. Let me show you what I did, guys. There was a cover here. We cut the cover. We take the cover off. This is this tube here. You see what it is? This is where the gas, the propane, come from. This is the propane. Okay. Now I'm about to turn it back on and start this thing and stick this thing inside here. That's it. You see, guys? You remove. Everything was here before, remove everything. I'm gonna stick this thing in here. Okay, then we're gonna start it. Joe, start it now. I'm just calling somebody to start this thing. Joe! Okay, this is on, guys. You stand in the ouvre là déjà? This is turn on. Now you just.